Your style vocabulary is more than just a list. It bridges the gap between conceptualizing your style and bringing it to life. Today, let's expand on your core style by building out your style vocabulary, turning these abstract style words into tangible elements of your personal style. If you haven't yet determined your core style, let's revisit the concept. The most useful way to define your core style is with 3 adjectives. And I really challenge you to distill your adjectives down to 3, no more and no less. 3 words provides just the right amount of creativity and nuance without being chaotic. Your 3 words are the essence of your style. They may describe how you want to be, how you want to feel, or how you want to look. These 3 words are meant to describe the core of your style and are an extension of your personality. They're the 3 elements that every outfit needs in varying proportions. The point is that these elements can be dialed up or dialed back depending on the situation, but if any one of these elements is completely missing, you just don't feel like yourself. They're your non-negotiables. For example, your 3 words might be clean, edgy, and creative. If you're having a hard time finding your 3 words, try on a few of your favorite outfits. Spend some time in front of the mirror evaluating why you enjoy wearing these outfits and what might be missing. For example, you may enjoy minimal outfits with clean silhouettes and an edgy touch such as a rugged boot or a leather jacket. However, you always feel like you're craving more creativity and spunk. This might lead you to the 3 words clean, creative, and edgy. If you want a little bit more inspiration on how to come up with your 3 words, I'll link my previous video on core style in the cards. Once you've determined the 3 words that lay the foundation of your core style, the next step is to build your style vocabulary by identifying specific shapes, colors, materials, styling techniques, and other descriptors that resonate with your 3 style words. You're creating a guide for successfully incorporating your core style into your daily outfits. If you'd like to follow along with the exercise, now is a great time to download my Style File Notion template. It includes a section specifically designed to help you create your style vocabulary. You can get it by joining the free 12 Competencies email course or download it directly at the link in the description box. As an example, let's walk through how to create a style vocabulary for the style words clean, edgy, and creative. Descriptors. Begin by associating each of your 3 style words with clarifying adjectives. With this exercise, we're further defining what each of those style words means to you. For instance, the style word clean might mean different things to different people. To you, it may mean minimal, streamlined, sophisticated, all 3, or something else entirely. Edgy could mean bold, dark, Victorian, androgynous, or unexpected. Creative could mean colorful, fun, unique, or experimental. Think about each of your style words and note any additional descriptors that enhance or clarify what they mean to you. Colors. Color is a powerful tool for expressing your core style, capable of transforming the mood or impact of your outfits. When incorporating specific colors into your style vocabulary, consider both the individual colors and the color combinations that resonate most with your style words. It may also be beneficial to consider your color type when adding specific colors to your style vocabulary. The style word clean might evoke a classic neutral palette of crisp white, navy, and gray. In this case, simplicity brings a timeless appeal and ability to create sleek tonal outfits. However, another interpretation of clean could be bright and monochromatic. Edgy might call for black, metallics, or deep, rich tones like burgundy, forest green, or dark navy. These colors can introduce an element of mystery and intensity. When it comes to color, the style word creative unleashes a spectrum of possibilities. Bright, unexpected color combinations, pastels mixed with dusty greens or grays, or neutrals with a pop of color. It all depends on what creative means to you. Materials. Next, think about what materials and fabric weights best convey your style words. Some common materials include cotton, silk, wool, leather, chiffon, linen, denim, and sportswear. Metals like gold and silver may be considered here as well. Fabric weights can be floaty like chiffon, lightweight like cotton jersey, midweight like denim, or heavy like leather. For example, you may associate clean with cotton or other smooth or structured fabrics. Edgy might be associated with heavy and durable fabrics like leather and denim, or hard materials like silver detailing. And creative might inspire eclectic materials like patent, velvet, and sheer fabrics that allow for playful layering. During this exercise, it may also be beneficial to consider your body type when choosing materials or fabric weights for your style vocabulary. Don't forget that my color and body typing service is always available for the price of a haircut. For instance, if you have the theatrical romantic body type, floaty fabrics like chiffon will have a high level of harmony with your body type. Or if you have the flamboyant natural body type, heavy fabrics will feel right at home. Shapes. Shape encompasses the cut and overall silhouette of your clothing. Shapes can be straight, angular, rounded, symmetrical, asymmetric, long, cropped, structured, or deconstructed. Shape can also encompass specific necklines or cuts if you feel they resonate strongly with your core style. Clean styles might be straight and structured with a sense of timeless elegance. Edgy styles might include deconstructed pieces, asymmetry, or a strong shoulder, while creative styles may include exaggerated or unconventional shapes. Shape is another category in which you might want to consider your body type, and especially your body's dominant features. For example, if one of your dominant features is curve, then you may want to consider including some rounded shapes in your style vocabulary. Consider the shapes which you find most flattering and comfortable on you when filling out this section of your style vocabulary. Techniques. Finally, think about some styling techniques that might help you convey your style words. Styling techniques could include belting, layering, or accessorizing in a particular way. Clean styling might be modest and simple, edgy styling might include mixing opposites, and creative styling may call for lots of layering. Using your style vocabulary. With your style vocabulary in hand, evaluate your current wardrobe. Identify pieces that fit your style elements and those that feel out of place. However, resist the urge to get rid of everything that doesn't exactly fit your style vocabulary. We all need a good set of supporting items in our closet to help us experiment and create new outfits. If you find an item that doesn't fit your current style vocabulary, challenge yourself to style it with those that do. Sometimes the best outfits come from combining total opposites. For instance, a floaty feminine dress with a heavy leather jacket. As you plan your outfits, try mixing and matching pieces across your 3 style words. Then adjust the ways that you express each of your 3 style words to suit different occasions. For instance, you may choose an overall clean and minimal look for work, with just a touch of creativity or edginess in your accessories. But for a night out, you might lean more edgy. This ensures that your outfits are adaptable but always aligned with your core style. After you've practiced creating outfits in this manner, start to note gaps where new items could be mixed with existing items to better express your core style. Perhaps you have plenty of clean basics but lack edgy accessories to complete your look. Or maybe your creative pieces are plentiful but not versatile. Note these gaps as opportunities for growth when building your next capsule wardrobe. Moving forward, use your style vocabulary as a guide for shopping, outfit planning, and evolving your personal style. Before adding anything new to your wardrobe, refer to your vocabulary. Does the new piece express any of your style words in the ways that you've defined? If not, it may not deserve a place in your closet. Building your core style is a process of self-discovery, and your style vocabulary should evolve as you do. Your style vocabulary is not about limiting your personal style. It's about giving you the tools to express your core style confidently and consistently over time. I hope this inspires you to build your own style vocabulary and continue to improve and evolve your personal style with intention. If you genuinely liked this video or found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more personal style and capsule wardrobe videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.